association, pussy by association, pussy by association.
What's up from Kigali in Rwanda? So I was just curious and I wanted to try how does KFC taste here in Africa. The time we waited was a little bit longer because there was only one person taking orders. The prices were normal as compared to where I took KFC before, but that was expensive comparatively to the street food or the average food people do take in Kigali. The most interesting part was the time it took me to get to my order, which was so fast, around a minute and a half. My order was ready. Now let's test the food. Okay, so the taste of this thing is somehow too much similar to the taste of chicken comparatively to other KFC which I tried before. It tastes real chicken more than other stuff. I said zero spicy, and it's exactly zero spicy. Like the only taste which I can have here is that KFC kind of KFC taste. I got my order so fast, like I just placed my order now and in less than 10 minutes, 5 minutes it's already there. I wonder if everything was already ready. I don't know how, or maybe it's because they have less orders. And the other cool thing is that I'm about to try this Fanta pineapple. I've never tried it before. Let me try it. All the food was good. It had more taste of real chicken. The crispy was not that much compared to other I tried before, and accompanied with some fries, it was much better with the Fanta of pineapple, which the taste was fantastic. But in all, I didn't see a huge crowd. Even though it was a weekend, I didn't see a huge crowd as compared to other places I used to see KFC, especially when it's in a capital city. And I congratulate so much the Rwandan government for making Rwanda as beautiful, clean and organized so that companies and everyone want to land and work in Rwanda. Thank you for being here. Catch you next time.